Hi, my name is Manolo Santos. I'm the Certified Pre-Owned Manager for Ferman Mini. I've been here just a little over 13 years doing this, and I want to explain what a CPO stands for. CPO stands for Certified Pre-Owned. What is a Certified Pre-Owned Mini? Well, let me explain to you a little. See this vehicle inspection checklist? This is what a certified pre-owned vehicle has to go through in order for Mini to back up their certified warranty. So for example, we have a condition-based service, which is everything to do with the oil, front brakes, rear brakes, and the vehicle check. We also have the vehicle maintenance history, which the vehicle has to have oil changes in order every 10,000 miles. Also, does the vehicle have any open campaigns? Campaigns are like recalls, so we have to have them performed before certifying the vehicle. Any body repair history, instrument cluster, which is all your components in the dash. Tires are very important. We almost have to sell these vehicles with brand new tires, so they check for tires, wheel inspection, brake inspection, and a number of different things that we check for. So that's why buying a certified pre-owned Mini gives you confidence, gives you peace of mind, and it gives you that additional year of warranty on top of the factory warranty for unlimited miles for that last year. So I'm here with Matt. He's one of our service writers. So Matt, I'm going to ask you something. So what does a guest get when they come in with a certified pre-owned vehicle?
Sure. Besides the initial, much deeper inspection that's performed on that, they get an additional year's warranty with unlimited mileage, which is perfect for those high mileage drivers, as well as a much quicker turnaround time when it comes to those additional repairs needed. Since it's done through the manufacturer, we're able to go ahead and process those in-house to get the vehicle back on the road if there's any repairs needed.
When we certify a car, we feel that confident that we can even put it in the showroom because it's a like new vehicle. So come see us at Ferman Mini on US 19 North. We're open every day from 9 to 8.